Hi everyone, this is Vilasni, and today we are going to talk about the requirements of a facilities management company. Before we get into it, here's a bit of background. The organization has a team of 15 employees managing sales, marketing, operations, and accounting. Let's see how we can streamline their operations with the help of different applications available on the market today. The marketing process starts with sending email and social media campaigns to a list of prospects. If they are interested, they visit the webpage and fill out a contact form. This inserts them into the sales funnel. The sales process starts with lead generation from various sources. The majority of leads come from the company website, marketing activities, and existing customers, also known as referrals. Once the leads are added to the system, the sales executive sends a welcome email. After that, they schedule a call to understand the customer's requirements in detail. If the customer is not interested in the service or finds that it's not what they're looking for, the information is retained in the database for future reference. If the customer is interested in the service offered, a demo is then scheduled to showcase the product. At the same time, a sales meeting is arranged to go over the pricing and contract terms. If the customer agrees to the terms, the deal is closed as won, and if the customer doesn't agree, the deal will be closed as lost. The operations and account cycle then begins. This starts with the operations team scheduling an appointment with the client after the required services have been provided. Once the implementation is finished, a work report is prepared and shared with the client, after which an invoice is raised and payments are received. This then ends the financial cycle. Now that you understand the concept of our hypothetical facilities management company, I'd like to introduce Miles, who will go through how Zoho's apps come together to handle these processes.
Hi everyone, thanks Velocity for sharing those business details. Let me jump into the solution and show you how Zoho applications can support various processes within this business. Based on the requirements shared, I have designed a workflow where I have split the business process into sales, marketing, finance, and operations. Let's see how each cycle works and how different apps from Zoho can support them. To manage the marketing cycle, they can use Zoho Campaigns to send email campaigns and Zoho Social, our social media management tool, to promote the organization on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This is the interface of Zoho Campaigns where you can see the mailing list, subscribers, and campaigns status, whereas this is the dashboard of Zoho Social, which gives you information on brand health, index, and live stream. This slide shows a sample form that can be created and embedded on your website with the help of Zoho Forms or a Zoho CRM web form. Once new leads come in, what happens next? We enter the sales cycle. Zoho CRM acts as a centralized database for managing leads and customer information. With built-in features, you will be able to manage the entire sales pipeline starting from lead generation to deal closure. This slide showcases how a dashboard can be customized so you can easily view the daily sales information you need. Once a deal is won, we enter the operations and accounts cycle. Zoho projects will help the operations team manage new projects that come in. Once a project is added, the team can add milestones and assign tasks to team members. After a project is completed, a report is prepared and shared with the client along with an invoice for the services rendered. Payments are then collected using Zoho Books that helps you manage your accounting and keep track of your company's finances. This is an integrated business flow where all the operations we discussed so far are unified. Similarly, the applications supporting these operations can be integrated for optimal data synchronization. As you all can see here in the workflow, there are different applications that help a business manage their operations, and this helps to streamline your business. Additionally, you can use Zoho Analytics to import data from various apps and generate a consolidated report on sales, marketing, finance, and operations. All these apps are available as standalone applications and as part of a bundled package called Zoho One. Apart from this, we also offer additional bundled packages specific to sales and marketing, finance, operations, and more. Thanks for listening. I hope this session was informative.
Thanks, Miles. We hope this was useful for you to understand how Zoho's products can be aligned based on any business process for automation. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, it's never too late to streamline your own process with automation. If you'd like us to take a look at your business and come up with a similar plan, just send us a request using a link in the description below. That's all from me. It's bye for now.